This edition of Mac Voices is sponsored by Smile, the makers of world-class software like PDF Pen for Mac, PDF Pen Pro for Mac, PDF Pen for iPhone and iPad, PDF Pen Scan Plus for iPhone and iPad, Text Expander for Mac, and Text Expander for iPhone and iPad. Learn more about all their great products at smilesoftware.com.
Mac Voices is at CES in Las Vegas. Folks, I'm Chuck Joyner. We're walking around the show floor, and sometimes you stumble upon things that maybe you'd missed the press releases on, or is just too cool not to tell you about. This is one of those things. This is Robert. He's going to talk to us about UVify and their new drones. And Robert, I don't even know how to say, is it, I guess, a drone service almost?
It is. It's drones as a service. We like to call it a DAS, a D-A-A-S.
I like it.
Thanks. So what we're offering here, EFO is the world's first drones as a service for light show choreography events. So basically, we as a company take away customers' headache when they want to put on a show. We do everything. We manufacture, we deliver, we provide year-round tech support and lightning fast return service if you want to swap it out for any reason at all.
So to be clear here, I'm not, if I hire you or engage you with your service, I'm not buying the drones, I'm more renting them.
That's correct.
Okay, and along with that, as you said, you provide the service and support. How do I handle flying the drones, getting them to do like what they're doing back there now?
So depending on which partner company you're working with, we will provide training for the hardware. So it depends on the software package you're going with. That partner company will provide that aspect of the training. We will do the hardware part.
Okay, so they would do the animation and the creation of whatever I'm trying to create.
That's correct.
What kind of pricing is there for your DAS?
So our pricing is $99 a month. It's a minimum 20 drone or 20 EFO commitment for a 1-year contract. And then after the first year, the pricing goes down.
Now that's per drone, right?
That's correct.
Right, okay, yeah, just want to be real clear on that one.
Thank you. So it comes to about $1,200 per drone for the year.
Right. Which, if you have a need for this or want of this, I mean, this is a phenomenal idea, especially that you're partnering with other folks who then can do some of the cool stuff we're seeing.
Thank you. We think so.
Yeah, folks, you really need to go to the website, check out some of the videos. It is very impressive. Unfortunately, the circumstances around CES just don't do it justice. They're very impressive. And I can see this as being a big thing for corporate events. And the website, which I just told them to go to, is
www.uvify.com. That's UVIFY.com.
Robert, thank you so much for the time. Cool idea.
Thank you, Chuck. It was a pleasure.
Folks, more from CES in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. Thanks for watching.
Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our Mac Voices Facebook group and get more out of your Apple tech with Mac Voices magazine, free on Flipboard. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us at patreon.com/MacVoices and join these folks who help keep Mac Voices coming to you. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.
All right, say that again.
And we're all Mac users. Thank you.
I will find a way to get that on there, I promise you.